Okay. So the four processes that we have today that we are going to discuss are uh, just look at it. So the four processes that we are going to have right now are uh, so the four processes are as follows: Ostwald process, contact process, Hall and Heroult process, right? And what else? What else? Contact process, Hall and Heroult process, right? Okay, let's see. We'll discuss the various processes in chemistry today. In 20 minutes, let's quickly finish it. Okay. So first of all, we were going to discuss Hall Heroult. Okay. Then we are going to discuss laboratory preparation of HCl. Then we are going to discuss Haber's process. Then we will discuss our Ostwald process, and then we'll discuss our contact process. Importantly, Hall Heroult is used for extraction of aluminium from alumina. Okay, perfect. Lab HCl uses what? It makes HCl from HCl is prepared in the laboratory with the help of what? Some salt, right? What kind of salt? You have to be specific with that, right? Concentrated H2SO4 on NaCl, right? Concentrated H2SO4, okay, on NaCl gives us HCl. Perfect. Haber's process to make ammonia. How? N2 plus H2, 3H2 gives 2NH3. Correct? Ostwald process is for what? For making your HNO3. HNO3 is made how in Ostwald process? How it is made? HNO3, think. Right? Correct. This is used in Ostwald process. So what we do in this Ostwald process? We take ammonia. Okay, just think what. See, N is there, H is there. We need oxygen. So do nothing in ammonia. Add oxygen. Okay, and then you will get what? You will get NO plus. You will get NO plus H2. Okay. Finally, what happens in contact process? Very important. So in contact process, it's really very beautiful process because it is, I think, one of the toughest process that you learn and you feel, right? So what happens in contact process is that you make H2SO4. Okay, you made this acid, you made this acid, and this acid you are making. Okay, so this is known as king of chemicals because it is having what? Just look at the structure. You have ox- oxygen, sulfur, right? So sulfur can show six valencies, right? So OH, right? So plus 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 2. Sulfur is in plus 6 oxidation, right? So when it is so in plus 6 oxidation state, it can go to lower oxidation states, right? When it can go to lower oxidation states, that means it can, react with many things, okay? Almost everything. So that is why it is known as king of chemicals, right? More importantly, it is known as king of chemicals, like because uh, since it has like lots of applications, that is why it can be used, everywhere, right? Sorry, it is produced by all the industries, right? Okay. Now what happens in this, how what happens in the contact process is that you take iron ore, right? Like you take iron pyrites, okay, FeS2, and you add oxygen over there, you get Fe2O3, ferric oxide, okay, and this is known as Louisiana, or like you can just take Louisiana sulfur and burn it and get SO2, okay. You get this thing plus SO2, okay. You can balance the equation on your own. So plus SO2, right? So we need this SO2, right? So either you use Louisiana sulfur, Louisiana sulfur, or you use iron pyrites, okay. What our ultimate aim is, this and this. As we get SO2, as we get SO2, we want what? We we will add O2 in this, okay, in presence of catalyst, that is vanadium oxide, okay, and there will be high temperature 450 degrees Celsius, okay, that is four times, like four and a half times the boiling point of water. So now this will give us SO3, right? Can you see? Again, it went into plus 6 oxidation state. Now what we have to do is just simply add H2O in this, okay, like not H2O but like add hydrogen in this, right? So if you will add H2O, it is not going to give you like properly H2SO4, right? So what we'll do is, like what will happen in this case, we'll look at the mechanism in upcoming videos, uh, right? So stay tuned. SO3 plus H2SO4 will give us H2S2O7. Now when you will add as water to H2S2O7, okay, when you will add water to H2S2O7, you will get H2SO4, okay. So now you're saying you used one H2SO4 here, and you're getting two H2SO4 here, okay. So that's how things happen, and we'll go in depth in the contact process because there might be many doubts to you children in this, okay. So just have a look at this, all the processes at a glance, and then we'll go in depth of all of them one by one. Perfect.